Chandru. So here we are back again with another exciting stock tip. So the stock we have now is IRB Infrastructure. So as all of you know, IRB Infrastructure is one of the leading players in the road building segment in India, and there's a lot of focus by the government to increase the investment in the road and in the infrastructure. So IRB Infrastructure is definitely going to be a beneficiary of this move in the near future. So that's all about the long term story, but looking at a medium term story, here we are, the stock recommendation from a technical standpoint. The stock has been trading sideways for almost close to 7 to 8 months now, that is almost close to 30 weeks, and on March 17th it's bounced back from its 21-day moving average with above average volume, and also the RSI and ADX indicator suggests a strong buy on the stock. So you can definitely initiate a position on this stock in the range of 120 to 122 for a target of close to 137, which is almost 13 point offset from here. So definitely, as you can see, it's been really in this range for a pretty long time, and as most of you know, it is a good dividend paying company as well, close to 4 to 5% of dividend as well. So let's this is all about the technicals, but let's also look at the fundamentals to see how it really pans out and how the stock really looks. Does it look exciting for your investment? So let's go into the Yahoo portal and find out how the fundamental looks like. So let's dive into the Yahoo Finance portal. So here we are at the Yahoo Finance portal. So as you can see, the stock has a PE of 24.89, and if I look at like a 1 year move, it has actually gone to a level of 51 during the pandemic time, and subsequently has moved up from that level to reach close to 122 in July itself, and from that point onwards it has been trading sideways for a pretty long time, almost 7 to 8 months now. If you look at a 5-year chart, then it has actually reached levels of more than 200 long back, but has actually gone down from that level. So it's yet to reach its lifetime high, or at least you can say that it's the stock really trended it at around 200 plus for most of its time, but it's actually below its fair valuation as of today. So looking at a dividend yield, it's almost 4%, so that's pretty good dividend yield for a stock like this. And looking at other stats, it has a market cap of close to 42.72 billion, which is almost 4,300 crores. The trailing PE is 24.89, which is pretty decent. Then if you look at the profit margin is 3.30%, the operating margin is 35.96%. Then the revenue has been is close to 52.77 billion. So that's good, and considering the focus that government is putting on road projects and all, the revenue may increase in near future as well. There's been a quarterly decline of growth, primarily due to the pandemic, the COVID impact. But with more focus on infra, more focus on road projects, the revenue should increase in the near future. It has pretty good balance sheet. It has a good cash of almost 33.13 billion of cash in its balance sheet, and if you compare that with um, the stock's market cap, which is 42 billion, so the cash position is really pretty good for this company. So that's definitely a good positive for the stock. Then other than that, actually there has been some kind of issues in terms of the overall road infrastructure projects, and that has really impacted the stock as well. Like any other company, like say for Dilip Buildcon and all, has actually gone down, but Dilip Buildcon has moved off from its lows in March last year. So let's hope that IRB infrastructure also moves up from this level, and whatever target we have projected, it will reach that in near future. Alright, so if you like this talk and you want to have similar stock tips in the future, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that next time we put any video you get the notification for that. Thank you for watching.